Helping keep your Volkswagen vehicle properly maintained and serviced is important for the operation and long-term health of your vehicle. But keeping it clean, washed, and waxed helps keep it looking new and prevent deterioration of the body and trim. It may seem like these are simple tasks, but there are some best practices you should be aware of for the best results. Your Volkswagen should be washed regularly to help keep dirt, grease, and debris from building up. It's best to wash the vehicle out of direct sunlight to help prevent soapy water from drying too quickly, leaving a hazy residue. First, rinse the entire vehicle using either a spray or an open stream of water. Don't use high-pressure nozzles or pressure washers, as these can damage seals or cause water to get in the cabin. Then begin washing the vehicle with warm water and an automotive cleaner designed specifically for car washing. Your Volkswagen dealer carries a line of products designed specifically to help protect your Volkswagen while providing exceptional cleaning results. Never use harsh detergents or dishwashing liquids, as these can strip the wax and leave a dull, glossless finish. Use a clean, soft sponge for best results. If you drop the sponge, rinse it thoroughly to make sure pieces of grit aren't stuck to it, which could scratch the finish. Rinse body panels as you go to help prevent soap film from drying on the vehicle. Move around the vehicle, washing and rinsing. Once the vehicle is completely washed, give a final rinse of the entire body. Then dry the vehicle using a chamois or soft lint-free towels. Terry cloth towels are okay on the finish, but they tend to leave a lot of lint and they catch on the trim. Once your Volkswagen is washed and dried, you can give it a coat of wax to help protect the finish and really make it shine. It's best to wax your vehicle with the change of the seasons, or more frequently in harsh environments. Your Volkswagen dealer should be able to recommend a high-quality wax for use. Always wax in a shady or enclosed area to help prevent the wax from drying too quickly, which can make it hard to remove. Apply the wax to one body panel at a time. Apply a thin film and work it in using a circular motion. Don't apply too much wax, as it will be much harder to remove. Move on to the next panel, allowing the previous one to begin drying. As you go, check the condition of the previously waxed panels. You don't want the wax to completely harden. As it begins to dry to a haze, go back and begin removing the wax with a clean, dry cloth, again using a circular motion. You may need more than one cloth, as it will become covered with wax. Move around the vehicle, applying and removing the wax. Once the entire vehicle has been waxed, you can buff it with a fresh, clean, lint-free cloth. When you're done, your Volkswagen will look practically as good as new. Keeping your Volkswagen in top condition will help protect your investment and keep looking its best. Be certain to review your owner's manual for important information, warnings, and maintenance details.